Alright, I'm back again, and today I'm going to be working on a shift knob. I 3D printed this one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay resin over it with some carbon fiber. I'm actually working on this one as a giveaway. Check out my Instagram to enter, and I'll be giving this away pretty soon. Well, the finished product. But here will be the video showing how I get to the finished product. I'm going to start by trimming this down a little bit because I checked the fitment for this on the Miata, and it's a little too long before it reaches the thread, so I'm just going to trim it down a little bit before I start laying the resin. Alright, now I'm going to lightly sand all around it before laying the resin. Clean it off with a little alcohol. Alright, just about done, ready to go. I'm going to go inside and throw some resin on this. Let it tack up, then lay some carbon on it. This little plate that I made, just kind of threw it together. Stick it on there like that. Alright, resin's all mixed up. Let's get this added on. Alright, so it's a little tacky now, and we're gonna add in some carbon fiber. What I'm going to do is let this cure. I'm going to sand it down, apply any more tomorrow if I need to, and then keep coating it. So far that's what it looks like. I got a little bit more sanding to do. Try to get all these spots, all the shiny spots, need to be sanded. But it's coming along. Top's fairly flat. I currently have the knob installed, the one that I'm doing the giveaway for. This is the nicest one I've completed so far. That's why I'm doing the giveaway for it. And I've done the reinforcement so that the threads don't tear out. I also have these shirts available. Just had them made, and they'll be available soon on my website. Also, coming up soon. I gotta put the work in on that. So I'll have chiffons up on the website as well as these shirts. The giveaway is going to be over Instagram, and it'll be taking place within the next week. Yeah, I'll announce it on Monday, the day this video comes out, and it'll probably go all week till Friday. I'll announce the winner on Saturday or Sunday. So stay tuned for that, and subscribe and buy some merch if you feel like supporting the channel. Thanks.